DSG Energy delivers a 3.7 megawatt solar power plant for Shahzad Textile, a legacy of excellence powered by sustainability. Designed to provide reliable solar power for long-term industrial success. Clean energy powers efficient manufacturing and sustainable growth. From sunrise to sunset, clean energy powers continuous operations. High-efficiency Ryzen 740-watt solar panels deliver dependable, clean energy. Huawei 150 KTL smart inverters ensure reliable and efficient power conversion. Behind every achievement is a team committed to excellence and a shared vision for a greener future. Together, Shahzad Textile and DSG Energy are powering a sustainable future. Ready to make the switch to solar energy? Visit www.dsgenergy.com.pk or call 03111 374 374 today.